So
let's see if we can figure out what is special about what happens when you put the block on 6, other than it goes to this winning position. So the question is, why isn't, like when it's like this, why isn't that winning?
because the block, when you put it on 6, the 1 block shifts, and that's the one in the edge.
Okay,
It's the one that you need to be away so
That's
that
the one that
both
needs to be
edges are
open.
open.
all right.
And then that would
And
win.
that's what we already know.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
now we're going to try to see if we can find something else that would tell us that this is not a winning position. Sorry, this is a winning position if you put a block on 6. That's the win. In this position, where do you put the block?
You put it on
4, I think.
Okay, play it out just to be sure, since
So,
we're not totally sure.
4.
Okay, so in this position, you put it on 4. In this position, you put it on 6. In this position, you put it on 5.
Yep.
In this position, you put it on 4. In this position, you put it on 3,
and then this.
2. And then in this position, you put it on 1.
So it looks like that if there's any middle one, any 2 through 8
Mhm.
open and an edge open, that you can win from that position.
Oh, okay,
So-
yeah. Where would you put the block in this position?
Well, if you want it to shift this, I guess you would put it here.
Okay.
To shift everything over.
All right. So now we know about all the shifting and everything, but we're trying to I want you to try to see something new that you haven't yet seen about what's happening here.
We could look at like the numbers of the blocks.
Okay.
So the winning. So you want to put the winning piece here would be putting on 7.
Okay. And what does that do?
It shifts everything. It shifts.
It
7
basically
to
adds
6.
1 to all the numbers. All the block numbers. 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 3, and
Okay. Anything
So-
else happen with the numbers?
It seems like if you put on 7, you just shift all the numbers. Just add 1 to all the buckets.
Okay. Well, not quite. You don't add 1 to.
Well, you just
you add-
shift all the pigs over plus 1 pen. You shift everything over to the right.
Okay. Anything else?
So 1 goes to 2. 2 goes. Like 7 was the winning move here.
Yep.
I mean, like I think. If we were shifting, like if we went back to the other position,
Which other? Go ahead. Move
Like-
it. Move it back to whatever position you
so
like.
like, 7 and 9 were open.
Yep.
So we said if we put it on 1, put the block on 1,
Yeah. What
Okay.
happens when we put the block on 1 here?
6 goes to 7. And
Okay.
then actually 1 plus 6 is 7.
True.
And then we put on 2, 5 goes to 7.
Right.
It's 3, 4 goes to. So 6 plus 1 goes to 7. So you might be. If
So
you
every
put it
block-
on what and you add. If you put it on if you put it on the 1 block, it'll shift all these over 1.
Okay.
so whatever number that, so whatever number you put it on, the number that adds with that number to be 7 shifts over to 7.
Okay. So we're starting to see some relationship between the numbers.
Yeah.
where we put the pen, the new pig, does something to the numbers.
Yeah.
Okay? And we'll have to unlock some of that that relationship a little bit more.
Okay.
Okay? All right. Good work this morning, guys.